How to use and edit a product template with CustomCat. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use and edit a product template in CustomCat, a feature that helps streamline your product creation process. Once you've created a template, you can quickly apply it to new products, saving you time when managing your listings. To get started, go to Create Product in the left navigation menu. Then select Advanced Tools and choose Product Templates. From there, select the store where you saved your template to view a list of all saved templates. When you find the template you want to edit, simply click on it. This will bring up an overview of all the saved data so you can review the settings. If you'd like to make the template easier to recognize, click the edit icon next to the title to change the name of the template. Templates are named by default based on the date and time they were created, but customizing the name will help you identify it more easily in the future. If you need to remove a product from the template, just click the red X next to the product. This will remove it from the template without affecting any other products. To use a template, click on the Use Template button. This will bring you to the bulk edit step of the advanced product creation process. Here you'll see all the products from the template, but without any designs applied yet. The product details will be pre-filled with the template data, such as colors, sizes, titles, pricing, and tags. From this point, you can select a design or multiple designs from your design library, or you can upload new designs from your browser. You can also perform any necessary bulk actions at this stage, like adjusting pricing or applying product tags. Once you're happy with how the products look, click Next Step. This will take you to the export stage where you can confirm your export settings. Double-check that all the product details are correct before exporting the products directly to your store. And that's it. You've successfully used and edited an export template in CustomCat, making the process of adding products to your store much quicker and easier. For more tutorials, FAQs, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit CustomCat.com.